Hello everyone, today we are back again to start our computer class 4 chapter 3 tools of word processor part 3. My dear students, today we have already completed a quick review starting Word 2016, entering the text, selecting the text, and today we are going to start with our new content, that is selecting the text using mouse. In this session we will do selecting the text using mouse, inserting the text, copying and pasting the text. Okay, so yeah, let us start. Let us now discuss how to select the text using a mouse. So, for selecting a text, for selecting a text with a mouse, you can double click on a word. For selecting a sentence, you can hold the control key and click anywhere on the sentence. For selecting a paragraph, you can triple click on the paragraph or double click in the left margin of the paragraph. And for selecting a large block of the text, you can click at the beginning and press shift key, and with releasing the shift key, click at the end of the text. If you want to select the entire document, what you will do? To select the entire document, we can click the shortcut key, that is Ctrl plus A, clicking anywhere in the selection area. You can also click thrice in the selection area and triple click in the selection area. Now, inserting the text. So now the next topic is inserting the text. For inserting the text, Microsoft 2016 gives you the feature of adding a new text to already existing text. You have to place the cursor to the right of the character wherever you want to insert it and then start typing. The existing text present after the cursor starts to shift to the right side of the content, and your content is then added or inserted there in that existing document. Okay, so now next topic is moving the text. Moving the text allows the user to change one position to the another of the selected text. There are various ways to move the text. You can move the text to the desired place by selecting the text and clicking on the cut and then moving on the clipboard group on the home tab. Then bring the pointer to the desired option and click on paste in the clipboard group. Or what you can do is use the shortcut buttons to select the desired text and press Ctrl plus X. For cut and move the cursor on the desired location and then press Ctrl plus V to paste the text. Or what you can do is right click on the selected text, click on cut and then take your cursor to the desired location, point to the right of the area and then click on paste. Okay, good. Now our next topic, copying and pasting the text. Copying and pasting, copying means that you have to duplicate a certain amount of text, a content to a particular area from its original location, as well as placing it at another location too. This feature allows the user to save their time and effort in typing. Just like moving operation, copying operation is also the same, but can be done in different methods, in 3 different methods. By first method, you can click on copy and paste button in the clipboard group and then copy paste in the specific area. Now second option you can do is you can use shortcut keys Control plus C and click plus V. Control plus V. Second option, again I am repeating. Second option is you can use shortcut keys, that is Control plus C and Control plus V. Control plus C is for copy and Control plus V is for paste. The third option is using copy and paste option from the context menu. Go to file, select copy and then again paste option from the context menu you will do. So dear children, today we will do page number 28 and 29 itself, and the next topic, that is of page number 29, deleting the text, that we will do in the next session, because you will have to learn all the shortcut commands and the steps, so we will not go so fast, otherwise it will create a problem for you all. That's why, to make you understand it properly, we will go slowly, learn it properly, learn all the things, learn the steps, practice the steps. Not learning, it needs only practice. Read the lesson again and again. Learn the shortcut key commands. Okay? Thank you and have a nice day ahead.